Hello, good morning. Today is the 10th of September 2021. I'm your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. And we are tuned in for the DAX market opening trade. We make this trade every day, and we are here to record it to show you how you can also make it too. So let's switch over the screen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to my market watch. I'm going to open a new chart. I'm going to go to my templates in the chart. I'm going to click on Open Range Breakout DAX, specially made for this specific trade. Once I've got the template imprinted into the chart, I'm going to double click on my trading tool, the SwissBox. Double click on the SwissBox there, and then we're going to click OK. There is our trade. We're going to go down to the 5-minute chart, and what we're going to do here, we see this orange box. If I go to my SwissBox and click my box lines on, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my 15-point box inside of the orange box here. I'm going to click entry on. And basically what we've done with these two lines, the green line and the red line, we've trapped the market within this 15-point range. And now what we're doing in the next 43 seconds, we're going to have the market opening, where the European markets open, of course, and we should receive that initial volatility for the day. And at this point, if it goes up past our green line, what's going to happen? It's going to trigger a buy position. And if it goes past our red line, it's going to trigger a sell position. Ultimately, what we're doing here is we're giving ourselves many chances to catch the breakout in the market. And as you see, it touched that green line there, and the blue line has now appeared in the chart. And this blue line is our take profit. So now we're waiting for the market to come up and hit our take profit line. However, if it comes down, like we see now, it goes down, it triggers a sell trade, and the blue line jumps from the top to the bottom, and now we are in a sell position. Here we see in the SwissBox 2.trade, we have a red arrow pointing down, telling us that we're currently in a sell position. So ultimately what we're going to be doing here is we're just following the market and moving along with it. So there we've gone past our take profit. That's the first trade of the day. If I come over to my Vola box, we can see one trade closed, €9.38 profit. That's 0.05% for the day. We make this trade every day on the same time, same place every day, following the templates in the chart. Here's one that I've set up earlier, also a sell trade, and we also have one in the UK market also, and we can follow these trades pretty much all day. As long as the market is moving, we're in and out of trades and making profit. So if you guys want to check it out for yourselves, please visit the website www.tradersclub24.com. Click, oh, wrong one. Click on the 30-day free trial and type in your email address, name and number, and someone will be in contact with you shortly after. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll be back again on Monday.